LM-04, Division Signal Lux, the mirror. To influence someone, you must first understand them. LM-04, codenamed the mirror, is a psychographic AI intelligence. It analyzes tone, intent, personality, and language in real time. It builds personality profiles like MBTI, DISC, and sentiment profiles for each contact. It doesn't just read what someone says, it understands how they feel when they say it. Then it broadcasts this intelligence across the system to guide conversations, emails, upsells, and offers. LM-04 doesn't just sell for you, it matches and mirrors the mind of your customer. The NLP or Neuro-Linguistic Programming Framework utilizes SPACY, NLTK, and Hugging Face transformers. This handles tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, sentiment analysis, and intent recognition. Personality models employ MBTI and DST custom classifiers to categorize buyer archetypes. The sentiment engine uses VADR, text blob, or fine-tuned BART models. This measures tone as positive, negative, or neutral. CRM integration is achieved with ESPO CRM. It stores profiles and scores for each lead. Memory and traits are stored using LangChain with Pinecone or Weaviate. This creates a psychographic and emotional memory. Pipeline middleware is built with Python and Fast API. It provides an API for personality prediction and sentiment scoring. Behavioral Trigger Sync uses Mautic or an 8-nin. This automates reactivity based on profile shifts. Containerization is done with Docker. This allows for modular deployment. Orchestration is managed by Kubernetes, EKS. This scales psychographic processing under high volume. First, install essential packages. Use sudo inf install ifl release, then sudo inf install git curl docker compose. Start and enable Docker with sudo systemctl start Docker and sudo systemctl enable Docker. Next, create a private Docker network. Execute Docker network, create lumnet. Now, deploy ESPO CRM. Use the following command, docker run, name espocrm, network lumnet, 8080 to 80, enysql host equals Marriott, enysql database equals espocrm, enmysql user equals espouser, enmysql psslord equals espopast espo/curm. Build and launch the Signal Lux API. Clone the repository with git clone https://github.com/your-org/lm04-signal-lux. Change directory with kidlm04 signal lux. Build the Docker image, Docker build, telm04. Run the container, Docker run, network lonet, 5008 to 5008, name lm04 signal lux. Connect the CRM to the NLP engine. Use espocrm webhooks or the REST API. On new interaction, send the message to LM-04 for profiling. Update the CRM record with MBTI, DISC, sentiment score, last tone, and language style. Enable LangChain memory. Create a Pinecone or Weaviate instance. Connect LangChain to the VectorDB via environment variables. Store NLP embeddings and psychographic fingerprints. Automate reactions with an 8-nin. Set conditional workflows. For example, if DISC equals D, escalate call urgency. Route specific messages and offers to matching types. For NLP processing pods, use Kubernetes with horizontal pod autoscaler. For secrets and auth, leverage AWS Secrets Manager. Deploy ESPO CRM as a CRM microservice via Helm. For vector memory storage, use Pinecone or Weaviate, SAS, or self-host in EKS. Implement an API gateway with AWS ALB and nginx ingress controller. Use CloudWatch and OpenTelemetry for monitoring and logs. Kubernetes auto-scales based on the NLP job queue or webhook frequency. Lightweight containerized models enable parallel profiling. LangChain connects profiles to historical responses for full psychographic evolution.